Setting up carousel ads on Facebook is a great way to showcase multiple products, images, or features within a single ad unit. Here's how to do it. Go to Meta Ads Manager. Visit Facebook Ads Manager and click Create to start a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective. Select an objective that supports carousel ads, such as traffic, conversions, or sales. Click Continue. Set up ad set. Define your audience. Choose placements. Set your budget and schedule. Create the ad. In the ad setup section, choose your Facebook page and Instagram account. Under ad format, select carousel. Add carousel cards. You can add 2 to 10 cards, each with an image or video, a headline and description, a destination URL. You can also enable the option to automatically show the best performing card first. Add call to action. Select a CTA like Shop Now or Learn More to encourage engagement. Review and publish. Check all settings, preview your ad, and click Publish.